Do you want to learn some classic Shakira moves in a fun follow-along belly dance combo? Well, I got you. Let's get started with a step, touch. So I break down all these movements step by step in a video that'll be in the description below, so that if you want to learn exactly how to do these movements, you can watch that video. But in this video, we're going to put them all together into a fun combo, less talking, more follow along. I'll show you from the front, and then I'll turn towards the back, and you can just follow me. Let's start with the hip drop. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. So we're squeezing right here on the side, shoulders down and back, lifted up from the top of our heads. Drop, squeezing. This is our hip drop, and then we're gonna do a hip up. 1, 2, 3, together and drop. Other side. Keep that heel lifted. And then the ups, front, back, together, drop. Front, back, front, together. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. 2, 3, 4, up, and drop. 3, 4, up, and drop. So that and is the squeeze. I'm gonna face the same way, and then we'll add on. Starting with the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. Switch sides with the drop, and squeeze. Ups, switch sides, and drop. 2, 3, 4. One more each side, and then we'll add on. Okay, now we're gonna do some upward figure eights, nice and slow, and then we're down. 2, 3, 4, up, slow for 2, and fast, downward eights again. Down, 2, 3, 4. Again, if this feels hard, watch that video in the description, and I break it down nice and slow. Shimmy it out. It's always good to just kind of do the shimmy sorbet, and now we're gonna put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. Ups, drops, ups, upward eights, slow, and down. 2, 3, 4, slow. From the beginning with our drops. And upward eights. Down, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up, drop. 2, 3, 4, and down. Ups. Upward eights. Down. Upward eights. Good. Now in that video that I have, we do something called the choo-choo shimmy. And it's a little hip shimmy, but we come on our toes. You keep our hips relaxed. You could do this in a circle, or sometimes we go like in a figure 8 movement, but we'll keep it here. Arms will come up and down, and we'll put that at the end. Take a nice deep breath, and let's start from the beginning. We got and drop. 2, 3, 4. And maybe you add some arms. Upward eights. Drops, upward eights, downward eights, shimmy and to shimmy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How did you enjoy that? Do you like just following along? Let me know if you want me to make more videos like this, and check out the step-by-step tutorial in my other video. I'll see you soon.